welcome back to the Spider's Web, and here we have another unboxing. This time it's a 4-in-1. Very quick ones. They're all 4 tanks because I've been having a look online again and I found 4 tanks from the same seller that I bought the English ones from. This time we're going across the pond to America, and we're going to start off with the Priest. After that we have the Lee, the Stuart, and finally an early Sherman. Okay, so as you've seen from the the brief introduction there, these aren't sort of like packed properly, but they are still, as far as I'm aware, unused, and as long as I can use them I'm not bothered. So let's start off with this one. This is the Priest. That's what you can see there, and let's open up and see what it actually says about this tank. So what do we have? Well, it says here, if I can get this bit out, I'll put that over there out of the way. Carrying a 105mm howitzer and an armoured body based on the M3 Lee chassis, the M7 howitzer motor carriage, nicknamed the Priest, was the US Army's most numerous self-propelled artillery piece, with over 4,000 built by the end of the war. So the pack contains an unassembled Priest tank, 1 Priest tank card, 1 hero card, 2 crew cards and 2 upgrade cards. And that's how you build it. Here is the sprue, and that's all you get for building with this one, but hey, that's enough. I quite like that. And then we'll have a look at the cards. Going out of order slightly with these, but who cares? I put the cards to one side and didn't see them. So here's the tank card, and that's what that looks like. And then we have these cards, one of the upgrade cards, another upgrade card, one of the crew cards, another crew card, and another crew card. This is the hero card, Carlos Hayden. There we are, and that's all there is to this one. This is why I'm doing all 4, because it's very quick. It's a very quick unboxing. There's nothing, what you may call it. What's the word I'm looking for? There's nothing in detail I can show. The next one I said we're going to do is this one. This is the Lee. Packaged a little bit iffy, but never mind. I haven't opened these to look. This is how they arrived. Unfortunately, it's got bashed about in the post by the look of it, because the bag was open and the cards were everywhere. In fact, the cards weren't even put in the bag, I don't think, to be honest. So, what do we have? Well, the M3 Lee sported a 75mm main gun mounted in a limited traverse side sponson, whatever that may mean. This odd, ungainly vehicle was far from perfect, but it was nevertheless an effective tank that filled a much needed role at a crucial time. You may recognise this one because I've already made one of these for the British, and I can't remember which tank that was, but it's exactly the same tank. So this pack contains 1 unassembled Lee tank, 1 Lee tank card, 1 hero card, 2 crew cards and 2 upgrade cards. So let us put that back in there. We'll have a look at the cards first of all. Look at the tank card, which is that. The previous ones I did for these, the British tanks, they were actually based on all American built tanks that the British used and renamed and updated, or upgraded rather. So we have Upgunned Lee, again it's an upgrade card. We have Charles Faso, or Faso, this is a crew card, this is the hero card. And then another crew card, another upgrade card, and a third upgrade card. There we are. I've done that now. I can put them back in the pack, seal the pack, put the sprue in the case, and that's it. Next we have this one. This is the Stuart. So let's have a look at this one. I am hoping to get a game of this in very soon with Ali, hopefully. None of these are going to be painted, by the way. I don't think I will paint these, I'll just use them as is. Because I'm not really sure how to go about painting tanks and whatever. At least for the time being. Anyway, the M3 Stuart was mechanically reliable, and even though it had a lighter armour and a smaller gun than the latest German Panzer, its small size and high speed made it well suited to probing enemy defences and fighting a freewheeling and tactical style of moving battle. I think I've done one of these as well for the British. I may be wrong. Wasn't this the Honey? Anyway, this pack contains one unassembled Stuart tank, one Stuart tank card, one hero card, 2 crew cards and 2 upgrade cards. I'm sure this is the Honey that British used. No, yeah, that's your sprue. I think it is the Honey, this one, to be honest. I really do. It's one of the British ones that I've made up last time, so there we are. I feel as though I'm buying the same tanks over and over again. The things, have we looked at the cards? I can't remember. I don't think we have. Anyway, there's the tank card, and then we have an upgrade card, another upgrade card which is upside down, we have a crew card, another crew card, this is the hero card as well, and an upgrade card. There we are. Put those back in there and back in the pack. And then finally we'll have a look at the Sherman. You've seen these before. I've done 2 out of the base sets. I've done one for the English, which was the Swordfish? I can't remember what it was called. It was an upgraded one with a bigger gun. I can't remember what it was called. But this is an early American Sherman. Yeah. I'll take everything out of here. Now we can have a look. So, the M4 medium tank, aka the Sherman, was the most iconic American tank of World War II. It was well protected, mobile and reliable, and remained the main tank in US armoured divisions throughout the war, with a total of more than 44,000 produced. This pack contains one unassembled Sherman early tank, one Sherman early tank card, one hero card, 2 crew cards and 2 upgrade cards. And there we have the instructions on how to build it. It's getting to the stage now where I've built more Sherman tanks than the Americans. Right, so here we have the cards. So there's the Sherman. Again, it's the early Sherman, so it should have different stats to the ones that I've got already. At least I would hope it has. And now we have the upgrade cards and crew cards. So, first upgrade card, second upgrade card, third upgrade card, first crew card, and the hero card, which again is a crew card. And finally a look at the sprue. That's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.